Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use AI to clean Excel data automatically. So let's start this maxel, and here you can see I have a data with includes some issues like the name in the lowercase, random space, different dates format, inconsistency, currency formatting. So let's see to how to clean quickly with the help of AI. Simply select the entire data and copy this data, Ctrl C. Now open any AI tool. Okay, so I open here ChatGPT and paste your data here. Okay, then enter the prompt. So I just enter here clean this Excel data. Okay, standardized the text, case, fix the date format. Okay, remove duplicates and correct currency values. Okay, and just press the enter. That's it. And here you can see it. Within a second, the AI will give you a cleaner version of your data. And just drag below and you can see the cleaner version of the data. You can see the cleaning step apply. So which are the step is apply here. Here also mention all the details. With this, your clean data. You simply copy this data. Just click on this option here, the one copy option available. Copy table and go to your Excel sheet and paste here. So this is the you can see the clean data. Okay. So this is a way you can use the AI to clean Excel data automatically. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.